Coast. We are coming up on high tide, which could cause some issues along the coast. Let's go to WBZ's Bill Shields, who is live in Marshfield. Bill, I see you got your ski goggles. You are set, ready to go. Very windy there?
Yeah, but I don't need them now because the ice and rain that was happening earlier has turned into snow, which is much better for us, for photographer Rick Hertzler and myself, than the rain. But let me show you what's going on in the back of me here. Let me get out of the way. This is a new seawall in Marshfield, and it's holding up real well, and it's doing its job. But you can see the spray, the waves are coming over the seawall and hitting the homes, which is going to be a little tough on the homes that are here. But that's a nice one there. But look what it's doing down the way here. Rick, if we can pan a little bit over towards the Esplanade here in Brent Rock, you're going to see the flooding. Now, they were hoping that the seawall would prevent the flooding, but the waves are so big that they're coming right over, so it is flooding in what they call the Esplanade, but not bad. I mean, we've seen it a lot worse. We've seen all this area covered in boulders in the past when the seawall was breached. This whole area where you see the police cruiser, that was all boulders and rocks, but doing a lot better today. But again, the high tide is still at 1 o'clock. And I checked my tide chart. It's a 10-foot tide on the first cycle, 11-foot on the next cycle. So we still got a long ways to go here. And there's a lot of homes down at the other end of the Esplanade that flood from time to time. And I think this is going to be one of those times. But all in all, power's on in most of the area here on the South Shore. There's a lot of wind right along the coastline. You go a mile inland, wind dies off, and there's a lot of snow. So typical New England nor'easter. It's a lot of fun. Y'all should come out here and enjoy it. Reporting live from Marshfield, I'm Bill Shields. Back to you.